Alright guys, so I have some numbers I'm going to show you, and then I want you to count out that number of beans from your baggie. Okay? Here's the first number. Remember, it's a T number, so that there's a 1, and then the 2 comes next. So this is the number 12. Let's count out 12 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12 beans. All right, here's the next number. 19. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Double check and make sure I counted those right. All right, do another one. What number is this? That's right, it's the number 17, so let's count out 17 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Make sure I have those right. Now I want you to try. I'm going to show you a number, and I want you to count out those beans. Okay, and then I want you to submit a video of you counting your beans. Okay? Take a look at this number. What number do you think this is? It's a T number. It has a 1, and then it has the number 4. So what is this number? Right, it's the number 14. Now I want you to submit a video of you counting out 14 beans.